Do you also provide fittings for UL-rated conduits?
Yes, we always adhere to provide customers with high-quality products and good services. Besides the conduit, we are also gradually developing fittings. At present, we have 19-degree elbows, coupling and male adapters available.
What pallet package are popular used in our market? Can you do this?
Yes, we can do the pallet package. The pallet package we designed is perfect for sea shipment with containers. It's very easy to load in and offload, helping improve the work efficiency and save labor cost, and better protect the conduits from cracking. Meanwhile, we also provide package in bundles, satisfying the different customers' package needs. If you have any special package requirements, please let us know.
Have you been involved in any construction project?
Definitely, CHP is one of the excellent power projects that we are currently working with. Its power line begins at New York's border with Quebec and ends in Astoria neighborhood of Queens, New York, which is expected to provide about 20% of New York City's electricity needs. Besides, we are also working with some other projects, like Connecticut apartment project and the Seattle tourist residential project, and so on.